So the question is to check whether a number is a palindrome or not. Let us go to the solution. So a number is said to be a palindrome if the number is equal to reverse of the number. So we need basically two operators. It is modulo operator, which gives you the remainder, and the second one is the floor operator, which gives you the quotient. So let us take a number n is equals to 121. So 1 is the units place, 2 is the tens place, and another one is hundreds place. To find the reverse of this number, you have to insert this or shift this number which is there in tens place to hundreds place, the number which is there in tens place to again tens place, and the number which is there in hundreds place should be shifted to the unit place. So this is what you do. So first let us take the digit which is equals to n mod 10, and reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus the digit, and n is equals to n floor operated by 10. So what does this digit n mod by 10 does is that it finds the last digit. So here the example is 121. So 121 mod 10 is equal to 1. Let us take initially the reverse of a number is equal to 0. So 0 into 10 plus the digit which is equals to 1. Let us take it as the first step, and here the number is equals to 121, which is 4 operated by 10, which is equals to 12. Now again here the number is changed to 12. So 12 mod by 10, which is equal to 2, and here the reverse of a number is equals to 1 into 10 plus the digit 2, which is equal to 12, and here the number is 12 floor operated by 10, which is equal to 1. This is the third step. Here the number is 1, so 1 mod by 10, which is equal to 1. In this third step, reverse is equals to 12 into 10 plus 1, which is equals to 121. So you have to write a while loop where the number is positive, and in this while loop we have to do the indentation. You have to write three statements. The one is modulo, the one is the reverse, and one is the floor operator. And in the if statement, if the original number is equal to the reverse, then you have to print that the number is a palindrome, else it is not. So this is the exact program we are talking about. So this is the number. Let us check a number n is equals to 121, and if the temporary variable that is which is n, if it is equal to the reverse of a number, then it is a palindrome. Let us check the result. Yeah, so 121 is a palindrome. Let us check another number which is not a palindrome. So 123. So 123 is not equal to its reverse of a number, so it is not a palindrome.